What if I told you, you could build a business without a single loan, without investors, and without begging anyone for money? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth, every big business you see today started with one thing: belief, not a bank balance. Most people think you need money to start. But what you really need is momentum, that first small action that turns an idea into something real. Think about this. Jeff Bezos didn't start Amazon with billions. He started it from a garage, packing books by hand. Howard Schultz didn't buy Starbucks with luck. He sold coffee, cup by cup, until the world took notice. They started small, but they started. So, if you're sitting there waiting for a loan, a grant, or someone to invest in your dream, stop waiting. You already have the most powerful resource in the world: your mind, your skills, and your time. Light bulb step 1. Start small, but start now. Use what you have: your phone, your knowledge, your effort. Record that video, sell that service, start that page. You don't need funding to start, you need focus. Money bag step 2. Reinvest your profits. When the first bit of money comes in, don't spend it, grow it. Buy better tools, learn a new skill, improve your product. That's how small efforts compound into something powerful. Paint palette step 3. Be creative, not costly. When you don't have money, you have to think smarter. You'll learn to market through storytelling, not ads. To sell through trust, not pressure. And that kind of creativity? No investor can buy it. Handshake step 4. Collaborate instead of competing. Trade skills, build partnerships. If you're good at design, team up with someone who's good at editing. When you help each other grow, you both win, without spending a cent. Brain step 5. Master free tools and consistency. Social media is free. Learning is free. Building your reputation is free. It just takes time. Show up every day. Keep improving. The algorithm rewards discipline. Seedling final message. Building a business without loans isn't easy, but it's real. Because when you build slowly, you build strong. No debt, no pressure, no fear. Remember this: a business built on loans can collapse with one bad month. But a business built on passion, purpose, and patience? That's unshakable. So stop waiting for permission. Start building with what you have. Because you don't need a loan. You just need vision, belief,